All right, so last year for the very first time, they closed down Houston Street and they called it Holidays on Houston. Houston runs right down the middle, right through downtown. And so they decorated. Tonight's the first night of the market. So we're gonna start on one extreme, one end where the Frost Tower is. We'll show you what it looks like right now. We're gonna walk into downtown and see the rest of the market. It's kind of nice that we came out the first night because it's not that crazy. It's not that crowded. I'm sure tomorrow's gonna be the busiest day. No, it is a little gloomy. It tends to like drizzle, so maybe that's what's keeping people at home too. Mateo. So last year's was pretty awesome. It was a lot of booths, a lot to see, a lot to do. But this year they have stepped it up another level. So we're super excited about the Chris Kindle Market in Chicago. This is actually pretty cool. San Antonio is really stepping up. first started, and we're waiting to see if the drone show is going to happen. So we're pretty excited, but it's been drizzling on and off, so we don't know if it's going to happen or not.